I like reading books.
I like reading books.
She is drinking tea.
She is drinking tea.
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
I want some chocolate.
I want some chocolate.
He is going to work.
He is going to work.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
I'm feeling very happy.
I'm feeling very happy.
I'm going home now.
I'm going home now.
Can you give me this?
Can you give me this?
I like to play basketball.
I like to play basketball.
We are having lunch now.
We are having lunch now.
Let's go out for dinner.
Let's go out for dinner.
He is writing a letter.
He is writing a letter.
I love playing with my dog.
I love playing with my dog.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to wash my hands.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
I want to see the movie.
I want to see the movie.
She is listening to music.
She is listening to music.
I like traveling to new places.
I like traveling to new places.
Can you give me a pen?
Can you give me a pen?
Let's cook dinner together.
Let's cook dinner together.
I want to try this dish.
I want to try this dish.
She is wearing a red dress.
She is wearing a red dress.
Let's play a new game.
Let's play a new game.
I like to sing songs.
I like to sing songs.
She is drawing on the paper.
She is drawing on the paper.
He is watching TV now.
He is watching TV now.
I like to play video games.
I like to play video games.
I need a glass of water.
I need a glass of water.
Let's finish our homework.
Let's finish our homework.
I'm learning to cook.
I'm learning to cook.
He is fixing his bike.
He is fixing his bike.
She is playing with her cat.
She is playing with her cat.
I want to visit the beach.
I want to visit the beach.
I'm learning to dance.
I'm learning to dance.
He is washing the car.
He is washing the car.
I'm feeling hungry.
I'm feeling hungry.
I need to buy a gift.
I need to buy a gift.